Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Listing Launchpad Director's Cut. My name is Jay with I Am There Media, and today we have our good friend Greg Elwin back in the house with us to present to you 25922. Actually, you know what? Hold on one second. 25222, 161st Place Southeast, Covington, Washington 98042. All right, so this place you are going to love because it you have me at Rambler anytime I get to go visit a Rambler because those are so hard to come by, and it's situated in a corner lot, and you just have to see it to believe it. So before we get into it, let me give you the disclosure. All information discussed on this video is intended for entertainment purposes only. All reasonable efforts have been made to ensure the accuracy of the content of this video at the time of preparation. Information presented is believed to be reliable, but is subject to change at any time and without notice. So, without a further ado, let me bring on my good friend Greg Owen to tell us about this gorgeous Rambler in Covington. So now you can kind of guess what the listing website is going to be. Let me give you a little, wink, wink, hint, hint, right? What, what's the website, Greg?
I tell you that we went total creative on this and called it the CovingtonRambler.com, right?
100%. We were just like, how do we get so creative that
Yeah,
like we're gonna come up
yeah.
with the most unique listing website name, period, and we're just like,
Yeah.
we should call it CovingtonRambler.com.
I was up all night thinking about CovingtonRambler.com, and I had all these different creative ideas, and I thought, no, let's go with that one, right? Can't agonize over this
Mm-hmm.
anymore. Let's just do it. Yeah,
You know,
this is a
sometimes you just have to
totally full
keep
house.
it simple.
Yep, for sure.
But I think so. So by the way, we've got a little bit of a delay because Greg had to hop in to do the director's cut recording in between a showing and a listing prep. So he's like in a bar somewhere Friday afternoon. I mean, can you believe that?
Shout out to the Porterhouse Pub in Mount Vernon. Yes,
Absolutely, absolutely.
right next,
Let's just
right next to the river.
let's just get right into it. I'm gonna try to avoid this delay a little bit and then just start letting you tell us the story behind this gorgeous Rambler.
Cool. Jay, thanks very much. Yeah, this is a beautiful home that is currently occupied by a beautiful young family. And they're relocating from Covington to up here in Mount Vernon, where I am, because he got a job as a principal at one of the schools up here. And so they've got to sell this house in Covington and relocate. So we did an inspection on a home up here today so they can get that done. But this place in Covington, right, this is suburbia at its finest, right? You're really minutes from everything, but it's peaceful and quiet in this neighborhood. Crofton Heights is the name of the neighborhood. 1,700 square foot. As you can see there in the pictures, it's got a huge backyard and even a huge side yard, which you don't get a lot, but you're on a corner, so you get the extra space. Yeah, check that overhead out. There's so much outdoor space, a huge deck for people to enjoy, and you couldn't ask for a better location as far as a pin on a map. And what a great neighborhood. There's about a 5-acre park that's about a 5-minute walk from here, and then a couple smaller pocket parks up and down the street. So from a standpoint of let's find a nice house to live in the suburbs and have pets, raise families, whatever it is we're going to do, this is an ideal location. Kind of gives you an idea where that pin on the map is, right there, kind of in the middle.
Absolutely,
Inside the
and
house.
I was really impressed with the fact that like it's a very quiet and like very private neighborhood, but then the fact that you're situated in the corner, it gives you that additional, that other side of the lot and the outdoor kind of landscaping space.
Yeah, it's. I live on a corner lot myself, and I mean, there are people that are like, corner lots. I don't know if I want that traffic on both sides. Well, we were out there for a couple hours, and maybe three cars drove by. So traffic's not an issue, and what you get in the benefit of that extra side yard space is just incredible. So I do this corner lot all day long. It's get the biggest lot on the street.
Yeah, and the fact that
So
it's a
we'll start.
Rambler, I mean, I'm a big sucker
Oh,
for a Rambler. So I mean, as soon as I walked in, like you saw my expression, I'm like, oh, this one's gonna go fast.
yeah. Yeah, it's very open and and welcoming inside with some vaulted ceilings in the dining room and in the living room and gas fireplaces in the family room and the living room and it just because it's a well laid out Rambler. It's not huge. It's 1,700 square feet, but it feels bigger than that because of the openness and it's bright. Boy, we've got big windows and lots of natural light in there. It's very, very cool.
All right, so I think we're almost done flipping through the exterior photos, and we're about to head in. So tell us a little bit of what to expect. Once you kind of open that door, and boom, there it is.
Yeah, you can open that door and there it is, literally boom, right into that living room. Big windows in the back, lots of light, vaulted ceiling, cool dining room off to the right. There's an archway that takes you into either the kitchen or the family room. Kind of, or you can go either way. Just taking a look back at the front door where we just came in, and you're at the center of the house right now. You go straight in the living room, you go left down the hallway to the bedrooms and the bathrooms, or you go right to the dining room and the kitchen. Another shot of this dining room. This is cool. It's got a little cutout in the side for a china cabinet or some sort of hutch if you want to put that in there. Another shot looking back from the kitchen. And you can see off to the left in this picture here, kind of getting our first peek of that kitchen. Kitchen's got, again, lots of natural light. It's bright in there. Light colors, stainless steel appliances makes for a really nice kitchen. And over the half wall and into the family room, which they're using as an extra dining room right now, but could be used really for anything. And it's got a gas fireplace in there too. So it's another look at that. And off to the left, there's the door that goes into the laundry room and then out to the garage. So here's how they have this set up right now with that fireplace and that dining table there. But that really is ideal for a family room, right? You put a couch in there, you put a big screen TV over the top of that fireplace, you got a place to chill and relax. And right outside the sliding glass door and onto the deck. So it's an ideal place to have a little indoor, outdoor, summertime party, barbecue, birthday party, whatever you're going to do. Here's from the living room, looking back out towards the front door. And then another shot of the inside, taking a look at that inside fireplace with the kitchen off to the left-hand side. And various views of that so we can get an idea kind of how open that is. So you can be sitting there in the family room talking to the people in the kitchen. The kitchen's the center of everybody's house, right? So from that kitchen, you can get in there and still have conversations with everybody. And then that sliding glass door, we'll get outside there and take a look at that back deck. But that back deck and backyard are incredible. And another shot here of the living room. You see how they have this set up. And, quick, here we go. We saw, that was a quick glimpse of the washer and dryer. Got to have a washer and dryer. That half wall at the entryway is kind of cool. And it's just going to carry us through here. Various looks at that. That half wall at the bottom is kind of cool. It creates a natural barrier. That's the main bathroom on the main hallway, serving the extra bedrooms. And what else we got going on here? This is the third bedroom, which they've got set up as kind of a guest room with an office space. They got a youngster in their house, so they use one of their bedrooms as an office. And this is the second bedroom. It's got double doors, so it could be used as an office. They're using it as a nursery right now. It's right off of the main entryway from the foyer. And another look at that, how they've got that set up with a nice closet on the left-hand side. And this is
I think that's a really ideal setup.
Yeah. Well, it's fantastic because it's so easy to get around. And that's a huge primary bedroom that they've got there. And the bay windows are cool, nice touch, because when the shades are open, it's nice and bright in there. And that looks out to the front. And then looking back down towards the door into the bedroom, you see it's got a vault to the ceilings there as well, so it feels really big. And a little closet action, and off the closet, next to the closet's there we go. Take a look at the ensuite. And that pretty much, wraps up the inside of this house. We'll get a couple separate pictures from different directions, but that's it. That's what your 1,700 square feet gets you right there. And it feels bigger than that. The 3 bedrooms are nice, but CovingtonRambler.com, man.
And I love, and that's one of the reasons why I love Ramblers, because it's 1,700 square foot, but most 2-story homes, when you say 1,700 square feet, like it's kind of it's split between 2 levels, right? So for you to have 1,700 square feet like in one floor with all of that living space in the outdoor area, like that makes this house feel really big.
It does. And then you put it on this big corner lot with all that yard space, and it's ideal. And the right people are going to walk in the front door of this place, and they're going to love it.
Absolutely, absolutely. All right. Well, I will tell you what. We've got a little bit of a delay happening, and because I know you're all remote, but I really do appreciate you hopping in. I just love the dedication, because it's, like I've had a lot of other agents like, hey Jay, like I'm on the road, I can't do it, for this listing and blah blah blah. But I really love the fact that you went out of your way to find the pub and try to hop in. So I really appreciate that. CovingtonRambler.com. I cannot say enough. Like, it is so easy for you to remember. You're gonna start to see it in your dreams. So you got to go visit CovingtonRambler.com.
You got to go check it out. Thanks, Jay.
All right. Well, I'll tell you what,
Appreciate
Greg. I hope you drive safe. Have a great rest of the weekend. And this place is going to be thumping over the weekend. So go check out CovingtonRambler.com, 25222, 161st Place, Southeast in Covington, 98042, MLS number 2232747. So, all right. Well, I wish everybody would have a lovely weekend. It is sunny, and it's going to be like in the 70s and 80s in the Seattle area. So if you're going to be in the Seattle area, go visit lots of houses with open houses. But hope you have a great weekend, and we'll see you on the next one.
Have a great weekend, everybody.